get this started. All right. Good morning, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube. Today is November 12th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the levels on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then I'll go over the major levels on gold and oil as well for you guys. So with that said, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into it though. So for S&P 500, been in a sideways movement. We did come down to our support of 46.4275 and then bounced off that area to try to retest this resistance at 46.59. So we may be going into a sideways move again today. We'll see. This may act as resistance and pull it right back down. We are still in a bearish trend, so keep that in mind. Resistance is above 46.69, and then above that 77 to about 80 is my next resistance is above. Supports below is going to be 46.4275, 29.50, 21.50, and then 13.25. That's what I got on the downside. So we'll see what happens here at the level of resistance. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll be going over some of her minor levels that she has for you guys.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. I'm going to share my screen and show you what I got. Okay. We are coming up into a nice short area right here because of this little monster right there. Could be a nice little double top. Yep, David's correct. We are in a bearish trend and we have been for quite a while. You can see that looking left. So what do? We mark our supports, then mark our previous peaks to use as a guide to where the market is going. Our first peak is here. I'm looking way left, but our first peak is here to carry up to peak number 2 because it's a resistance. Used it once, used it twice. Here's our second peak right here. Used it here, used it here, used it here, dropped a little bit, but kept using it. Very powerful level. Micro peak 3 is right here. Price point is 46.50. Resistance, 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 resistance. Oops, support. Looks like the market wants to recover from the bearish market. We'll see. It's too early to tell. And here's peak number 4. It's been resistance, resistance, resistance. Used it as a, well, let me expand this for God's sakes. There we go. Used it as a little bounce. Not enough for me. Not enough for me to hit it because of here. Not enough room. I don't want 2 points. I want juicy points. So, but if you're all looking for 2 points, there's your entry to take it up to here. I'm looking for the short because it is bearish and this area might want to pull it down. If it doesn't pull it down, it'll go up to here. Or if it wants to continue to pull up, it's going to go up to here. But we don't know what the market's going to do. I'm still looking for shorts. If I can short it here, first profit would be here and then down, 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 down from there. So that's how our micro peaks work. That's my philosophy today. This is what I'm looking for right here to short. Boom. If not, I'll look to short here. Boom. If not, I'll try to carry it up to here. Short. Boom. But trade cautiously, trade with intelligence, not emotion. No room for emotion in this ball game. So back to you, Dave, for oil and gold.
Awesome. All right. So let's move back over. So for pulling it up here on gold, we do got resistance here at about 1860.6. So we'll see what happens as we get into that level. I got more of a wider level up above 68.6 and 1870.3. So may end up getting into that level, but could potentially have some really strong resistance from that area as well. But we'll see what happens here first. If we get a nice double top, we want to try to bring it past 57. And if we can do that, next level down, it's going to be 1850. I think that's 53.6. Yeah, 53.6. Then below that, 1845 is the next level of support. So we'll see. We couldn't get down to 1845 all the way, but we did get down to 53.6 during the overnight session. So we'll see what happens as we gradually climb into these 60.6s again. Moving over into crude oil. Crude oil, we do have a nice, well, we actually had a nice little double bottom. It's moving back up. We'll see if we can break this neckline here. I think we climb back into those 80.99s and then above that 81.46. We'll see. Nice bearish trend as of right now. So again, keep that in mind for those who want to trade with the trend. You can potentially look for the market to try to gradually climb into here and then continue the actual short from 80.99. If you want more of a wider level, it's going to be up here at 81.46 and then potentially continue the short from there. But with that said, that wraps it up for our analysis for the morning from S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. But let's go ahead and prepare for the open team. Take care, guys. Okay, let's see.